Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you our free plugin for creating and editing WordPress pages using AI. The plugin is called Advanced Add-ons, and you can find it on wordpress.org. There's a link in the description. Now, let me show you how to use it. This is inside the WordPress Gutenberg editor. To access the AI chat, simply click on the toolbar at the top right. Here, you can choose the model based on the API key you've provided. In this tutorial, I'll be using the GPT 5.4 model. To get started, you'll need to bring your own API key. First, add it in the WordPress settings under Connectors. You have a few options: OpenAI, Claude, or Google. Alternatively, you can use OpenRouter by installing the OpenRouter connector plugin. If you're interested in a free option, try Google AI. They offer a generous free tier for their models. Okay, back to the Gutenberg editor. We'll start by adding the prompt. Create a hero section for an AI marketing tool. While we wait for the AI result, let me explain what it will do. This will generate a Tailwind HTML block. AI models excel at creating Tailwind-styled HTML, which is why this is the default option in this plugin. However, if you prefer, you can choose to use a native WordPress block by specifying that in the prompt. Currently, the output tends to be better when using the Tailwind HTML block. Let's take a look at the outputs. It generates HTML blocks styled with Tailwind classes. Of course, all of these are editable. You can easily change the content and styling. We've provided a user interface to edit the Tailwind classes. And the best part? All of this is available with this free plugin, with no usage limits. And you can also edit this using AI. Just select the blocks or sections you want to modify, and then instruct the AI on the changes you need. The AI will automatically replace the selected blocks. All right, let's try using the native WordPress block. I'll copy the previous prompt and then add the prompt to use native WordPress block. Here's the result of using the native WordPress block. It's actually quite good. In my previous tests, it wasn't as impressive as this time. I recommend you try it out for yourself. The native WordPress block creation relies entirely on the model's knowledge of WordPress blocks. Let's preview it on the front end. I will delete this. This is basically the same section. I will save it and reload the front end. Here are the generated sections on the front end, and this should be responsive. This plugin also offers an AI chat feature for the Elementor builder. It uses the same AI chat interface. Currently, it only works with the Elementor Atomic Editor. So you'll need to activate the Atomic Editor or Elementor v4 editor to use this AI chat on Elementor. I won't dive deep into the Elementor editor in this video. That's coming up in another one. All right, let's get back to the Gutenberg editor. I want to show you some other cool features we have. Please note, though, that the following features are only available with the Pay Pro plugin. We're offering a 50% discount this month to celebrate the release of our AI web builder. You can find the link in the description below. The first is the ability to paste any HTML Tailwind code into the WordPress editor. Just copy and paste to the WordPress editor. One advantage of Tailwind is its widespread use, which means there are plenty of examples and free templates available. You can easily edit these within the WordPress editor, either manually or by using AI chat tools. Another feature allows you to copy Figma layers directly into the WordPress editor. These layers will be converted into Tailwind HTML blocks. Simply copy the Figma layer and paste it into the WordPress editor. Remember, you'll need to provide your Figma API key in the connector settings to bring images over from Figma. Without the Figma API key, the Figma layers will be converted, but the images won't be included. You can always make edits within the WordPress editor. However, to ensure your design is responsive, you might need to use AI chat, as the initial output might not be fully responsive. Keep in mind that the converter relies on Figma's auto layout. If your design doesn't use auto layout, it might lead to poor conversion or include many absolutely positioned blocks. The Pro version of this plugin also includes additional tools. These are Chrome extensions that allow you to convert HTML into Tailwind, HTML into native WordPress blocks, and HTML into Elementor. These tools can be used to capturing any website and bring it to WordPress. Let's try it. You need to install the extension first. For the Tailwind tool, you need to set it on HTML mode and enable responsive mode. After capturing the website, just paste it on the WordPress block editor. This tool basically captures any website and saves it on clipboard in the Tailwind HTML format. Let's try the other Chrome extension that captures any website into WordPress native blocks. The output should be similar, but the Tailwind extension will produce better output on complex websites. In this test, the result is similar. Just one produced Tailwind HTML blocks, and the other used native WordPress blocks. These tools can be used to use any website as inspiration, then modify it using AI inside this WordPress block editor. I will not demonstrate the HTML to Elementor extension because that will be on Elementor video. This is our first release on WordPress AI chat plugin. Try it and leave comment below if you have any problems or suggestions. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.